Inner Circle companions, mysterious guardians of the Dark Angels, appearing shortly after the return of Lion L. Johnson. They rarely speak, and when they do, it's only in a secret code. Their true purpose remains unknown even to the chapter's leaders. Today, I want to show you how to paint the mystical robes of these warriors in a vibrant shadowed crimson, them as close as possible to the look of the box art. We start with a dense layer of Screamer, pink over chaos, black spray primer. I don't think I need to mention here how important it is to apply it evenly. So it's better to do 2 to 3 thin, even layers, rather than putting on too much paint at once. Next we take well-thinned Baroque burgundy and apply it into the folds and creases of the robes. This step is great because it doesn't yet reveal exactly where we're going, so it still feels quite free and painterly. In moments like this, you really notice how a miniature isn't all that different from a canvas, which we as artists can shape and color according to our vision. Now we mix Baroque burgundy with Screamer pink, our base color. We carefully layer this mixture along the edges, making sure to leave the darker recesses untouched. For the fourth step, we mix Screamer pink with pink horror, an even lighter color with this. We add finer accent layers along the edges we previously painted with the mixture. We make sure not to cover the entire previous layer, but rather work towards the center of the edges, so the darker mix remains on the outer edges. For more volume, we now take pure pink horror and apply strong edge highlights. Push the highlights even further, I'll blend foreign pink with pink horror. This creates strong, striking accents that really make the edges pop. With each new highlight layer, make sure to leave enough of the previous mix visible along the edges. Depth. Give the material the impression of real fabric and distinguish it from hard surfaces like metal or ceramite. It helps to vary the tones. For the final step in painting the robes, I use pure Emperor's Children. Here we not only add final edge and dot highlights, but also introduce a few subtle color variations. And with this, the painting of the robes for our inner circle companions is complete. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know which part of painting these amazing miniatures you'd like to see next, or if you have any questions about the process. And as always, have fun painting.